Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aries. For your moon energies, Aries, we are picking one card, and for your love guidance, this is the card. We will see what it is as we proceed, Aries. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So let's see what are these cards. It's Temperance in reverse, Strength, and Queen of Pentacles in reverse. So Aries, maybe in your situation, maybe in your personal life today, you are someone who has confidence in yourself, confidence, trust in yourself, and you are an extremely talented person, and you are really devoted, and you are the person who is there for others to rely on. So you support others, help others in any circumstance, and even with this person you love. You are a very friendly person, helpful and reliable, trustworthy. And maybe today, for some reason, maybe the person you love, they may have their own ideas, or their vision may be different from yours, or their beliefs and ideals may be different from yours, and that may be the reason certain things are not matching up. Maybe between you both, you may have some worries, or something may be affecting the way things are going in this relationship. So you have a lot of anxiety thinking of this love, thinking of this situation, what this person will do, what they will decide, or what will be their action, or what will be their decision. So some kind of confusion, doubts may be there. But your friendly nature, your calm and composed nature, and your courageous heart is something this person cannot avoid, I feel, guys. So maybe this situation you have, it may resolve, guys. And Aries, though you may have some misunderstanding based on whatever you both believe in, it is something small compared to that love and understanding you both share, Aries. So in your career situation also, guys, maybe there are people competing with you. A lot of competition in your work may be there. And people who work with you, they may not have honest intentions towards you. So they may hide something, hide some lucrative offers. They may not tell you the entire truth. So lot of difficult situation you are facing in your work situation also, guys. But whatever it is, Aries, you are able to you are trying your best, doing your best. That is what is going to help you out in your future, in your present, Aries. So for your moon energies, Aries, luck is on your side. So that may be the reason we felt that you are all your problems are going to resolve today, guys. So maybe in your situation today, maybe in your work or in your relationship, you may feel quite adventurous, willing to take a few risks. You need not feel fear or worries, because you are risking something, taking a risk to achieve something. You can be happy because luck is on your side, and things will happen, and whatever comes up next is going to be really good, going to be something like a gift. So some kind of a gift, that opportunity or a situation is coming up in your life today, guys, Aries. So for your love guidance, Aries, we have spontaneity. So again, it's similar to the card we picked for your moon energy. So you should not let your fear hold you back. Maybe some new experiences may come your way in your work situation or in your relationship. And you should not let your anxiety or fears for the future overcome you, making you avoid some opportunities coming your way. At the same time, you should not fall a prey to peer pressure, maybe people telling you to take up something or go towards something which is not right for you. In your heart of hearts, you will know what is right and you will feel really happy when you make that choice. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So you must take up those choices which makes you truly happy in your heart of hearts, gives you that joy for doing that. So you must go for that choices today, Aries. So that is the energy here, guys. Thank you for watching, Aries. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds. Then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start with the first card. So for those who chose this card, it says 12 Dancing Princess, Enchantment. So maybe in your circumstances, in your relationship or in your situation today, you are in love with someone deeply and you are willing to let go of your dreams and freedoms for this love. You are willing to sacrifice your dreams. But before doing that, you must find out whether this love is worth it, whether this love is worth letting your dreams die. So you must think and decide for yourself, guys. Think honestly within your heart of hearts whether it will be truly worth taking up something, some greater responsibility, something that involves giving up your freedom, giving up something you love. And you need to be clear if you are making some important choices today. You must do it with clarity. And maybe whatever confusion or doubts you have today, you will find the right person, the person who will be worthy of you, worthy of your love. So that person is coming towards you. But before that, you need to understand what you truly want. You must know what is your expectation and what are your dreams. And no matter what your situation is, you are changing, you are growing so much emotionally and spiritually, and there is a greater maturity happening within yourself. You may not understand it, but you are changing so much emotionally and spiritually. So that is the energy with this card, guys, and you will be taking up greater responsibilities that involves your a lot of burdens on your shoulders maybe. But if it is something concerning you giving up something for this responsibility. You must think twice whether it is truly worth it, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, this is a Crystal Spirits card, guys, and it says Carnelian. So with this Crystal Spirit, it just means that there is strength in any relationship if you allow yourself to be vulnerable, because being intimate and building that trust can only be done when you let yourself be seen truly what you really are in your heart of hearts. So you must be confident that all you have to offer to your partner, confident about all you have, and that way your relationship will flourish, guys. So this Crystal Spirits reminds you that you are a wonderful person as you are, and you can be happy, rest assured, hold your head high, because you are a good person and you can be confident thinking of that, and you are that pillar of strength, beautiful, and you are an unique spirit, and you deserve the relationship you want for yourself. And this Crystal Spirit's guidance is that universe is working that you see that you have that relationship you simply wish to have. So you can feel confident, be confident in your own skin, be who you are, trying to be really open about what you truly feel and show this other person what you are. That way you are building this relationship on truth and trust, and that will work magically, guys, and you will have a better understanding with each other. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestion. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.